The sun's heat causes water on the Earth's surface, such as in rivers, in lakes, and in the sea. This water vapor then rises into the atmosphere. This process is called evaporation. Water vapor that rises into the atmosphere then reaches a certain height where the temperature becomes cooler. At colder temperatures, the water vapor will turn into very small water particles. These water particles then combine to form clouds. This process is called condensation. The cloud that has formed will continue to hold water particles in it. When the clouds become too heavy, because there is too much water in them, water particles will fall to earth as rain. This process is called precipitation. Rain can take the form of drizzle, heavy rain, even snow, depending on the temperature and atmospheric conditions at that time. Rain that falls to the earth then seeps into the ground, flows into rivers, and evaporates back into the atmosphere. This process continues to repeat itself, creating a sustainable water cycle. And now, friends, know how the process of rain occurs. That's all for our lesson today. Wait for other interesting educational videos. Friends, if you haven't subscribed, you can click the subscribe button first. My name is Nina. Thank you.